To create a zoom in and out animation, I'm going to come over to this plus sign here and I will click on presentation. Let's open this presentation document. You can see the document size here. We're going to open that up. Now let's go over to our element to add in what we want to zoom in and out. For me is this image, so if you click and drop it like so, it's just going to drop, which I don't want to do. I'm just going to click and make it select the page like this. Now that we have this, I am going to click on here and duplicate. I'm going to come to the second page and click on the image and start to spread the image out how I want the zoom to happen. And if I come back here and duplicate again, let's click on this page we have and click on this image, reducing the size of my screen so you see what is going on. I can decide to pull this image here. Let's zoom, drag it and want it to be here. Now we're going to click on the first image, click on these three dots and duplicate. Want to move this one here, click the three dots again. Let's just do Ctrl D on our keyboard, Ctrl D, and we'll move this over here. Now we have this set. We want to click on any of the pages and go to page timing. I like to set the page timing as 1.5. I would enter that and I would apply it to all 5 pages. So if we go into this, you see that it's 1.5. All the pages are 1.5 seconds. And I will hover in between any 2 pages and click on add transition. I'm going to go over to match and move, and I want to take that up to the highest, and I'll scroll down and apply it in between all pages. To see our animation play out, I'm going to click this drop down here and click on autoplay. You see that it's zooming in and it's zooming out. Yeah, this is how to make the zoom in and zoom out animation in Canva.